Good morning, Erwin. We are here at the STEM Lab, and I have my friends Addison and Emery with me. They're going to help me out this morning. Last night at our dinner conversation, our dinner table, we had a huge debate about pumpkins and whether a pumpkin would sink if you put it in water or whether it would float. It was quite a heated debate, and it was quite split down our dinner table, boys kind of versus girls at our house. So we are going to solve that problem today. But before we do that, girls, what do you think? Addison, is it going to sink or is it going to float? Float. Emery, sink or float? Float. Both girls are on team float. Take a quick poll in your classrooms, teachers. Thumbs up for float, because that's what the girls are voting here in the lab. Thumbs down for sink. It kind of makes sense. Going down, it's going to sink. Pumpkins are heavy. What do you know about heavy items in water? Will that pumpkin sink or float? So take a quick poll. All right, hopefully we got our polls done. Girls, go ahead. Put your pumpkins in the water. What is going to happen? And look at those pumpkins. Our pumpkins here in the lab are floating. But they're heavy. Girls, why do the pumpkins float?
Because they have air in them.
They have pumpkin guts and air. Inside, it's got a cavity, so it's got a lot of air stuffed inside of it, or saved inside of it, and that makes them float. Who knew? Enjoy some of our fall science experiments from the STEM lab. Say everybody bye. Bye.
You don't need a parent for help.